Hi everyone, this is Eval from BlackBerry. Uh, I got this from Amazon, which weighs up to uh, zero point 0.5 kilos. Okay, now we are going to unboxing this. Uh, we have good packaging from Amazon. Okay, and this Eval X is an Android phone from BlackBerry. See, an Android phone from BlackBerry, and okay, we'll cut this. This is the box we get from the BlackBerry, and indication that it is the Android phone from BlackBerry. Okay, let us reveal this, what is inside this. Okay, see, and we have more specification written here. DTech is the app which is provided by the BlackBerry. So one thing to say, this is the most secure phone in the world. So one of the most secure phones, uh, and each comes with the Android 8.1 and 5.12 display centimeters. Okay, we have 13 MP and 13 MP rear cameras. Wow, we have 16 MP front camera and 4 GB RAM, 64 GB, and 4000 mAh battery, and we have fast uploading also. And Qualcomm 450. Oh, it's somewhat less processor, but with the BlackBerry branding, okay, it's fine. I like this. Oh, let us reveal this, what's inside. Okay. Oh, and this is the Android one, and uh, okay, this is the, we have a good box here, and let me open this. Wow, we have got a BlackBerry phone here. Let me explain you about this, and see, it shows that it is the most secure Android smartphone. Okay, we have I don't know uh, what is in it. Oh, hope I will get a back cover here. Oh, we have a sim ejector tool here, and some faltu stuff, and a sticker we have, and we have this is a nicely packed box. We have three boxes inside it, which shows here a charger. Wow, it is a good package. We have a BlackBerry charger, which is fast charger now. Okay, and okay, let me keep it inside. And and we have a data cable here. It shows here. um, okay, which is which supports fast charging. mm, Hope to see all are in black color, as it is BlackBerry. Okay, and the beauty of this, we have earphones here. In these days we will not get most of the boxes doesn't contain any earphones, but this phone have earphones. Actually, this phone is a Dolby supported, so we have earphones. These are good, and two sets, additionally two sets of, and see, this is the earphones nicely packed, and these are two additional earbuds, sets of earbuds. Okay, and we'll come to the phone, and let me take this off. Okay, Yes, we have a nice black leather finishing in the at the back, and we see we have a logo of BlackBerry, and we have fingerprint sensor and two rear cameras of 13 megapixel with dual flash. And coming to front, BlackBerry logo. Okay, this is the phone with the rear front camera and with the front flash, and you can see the BlackBerry logo. I thought it is much later, but it is good. Okay, and coming to this, we have aluminum frame and curved edges, and the main part is that we have a C type port, and one um, speakers and receivers. Uh, Next, 3.5 audio jack, and this is the power button, volume up and volume down button. This is the slots for SIM, and we'll the slim ejection tool from BlackBerry. Okay. Yeah, here we will get a hybrid slot and a normal slot. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let us try to switch on the BlackBerry phone. Let us try to on this phone. And which shows that it is powered by Android. Okay, okay, let me set up this and continue later.